About the motherfucking money. It's all about the motherfucking money. If you about the money, you know what's super important? You need to keep some good ass accounting for your Kindle business. So we're gonna show you exactly how to have the best accounting for your Kindle publishing business. Intro. Stop! Woo! Stop, okay? We just got some breaking news. We just figured out that 50% of you guys watching this video, well, at least our channel, have not subscribed to us. So 50% of our views come from subscribers, other 50% are not subscribers.
These are cold hard facts coming from the statistics of something.
Exactly. What the... Subscribe, okay? Subscribe.
Half of you guys
just subscribe. Just stop. Half of you, I'm not even talking to you. Like, you're our boys. You're fam. We love you. Exactly. You're a gang. You're everything. We love you guys. So, like, just hang tight while I rant for a second. Like, this is not for you. It's not about you. Like, I'm sorry you have to see this. But for that other half of you that's watching and is not subscribed, hold my phone.
Let's go on the video. Can we do that?
Okay, just subscribe.
Get it. They've subscribed now. Now let's go to the video. So what's this video about?
I'm not actually
You're running the show on this one.
Okay.
This is your video.
Yeah, this is my video because I think it's quite important. It's quite important. People do not talk about this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Would you go out on a limb and say yes?
I'm going to go out on this very thin limb here and say, yeah, people don't talk about this kind of stuff.
Yeah, they don't. So, and it's accounting for your Kindle business, but we're not even talking Kindle business. We'll talk online business in general. If you're not in Kindle publishing, this still applies to you. Like, you might not know what Kindle publishing is, but you clicked on this video because it ranked for SEO for online business accounting. This is important because if you actually want to make a lot of money, you need this. And if you don't want to make a lot of money, then you don't need this. It's like a catch-22.
I don't think you know what a catch-22 is. If you think that's a catch-22,
I don't.
That means either way, damned if you do, damned if you don't is the catch-22 sort of thing. That's not this.
Yeah. Accounting is a bitch. Keeping track of everything, like, that's always stressful. But we have an accounting software for you that solves everything. Would you say that's correct?
Boy, oh boy, do we have the software for you.
Yes. And you know we're gonna affiliate link it. No, but we get it for free, and you might be able to get it for free as well. Yeah. I'll get into that.
Somehow,
we don't pay shit for this. So what it is, it's called QuickBooks. QuickBooks Self-Employed, more specifically.
Can I say something? You know what I hate? I hate, or I just don't like, if people think that this is a freaking scheme to get people to sign up for QuickBooks so we can make affiliate commissions.
Thank you for pointing that out. Like, yeah, I'm gonna put an affiliate link. But I'm not making this video to make affiliate commissions.
We just use QuickBooks and it's really good.
Yeah, and you should know about it. And you should know about it. Yeah. Might as well put an affiliate link. Yeah. Okay, so it's called QuickBooks. Inuit QuickBooks. Maybe you've heard Inuit before because they own TurboTax. Anyway, TurboTax. If you file your taxes through TurboTax, you get Inuit QuickBooks for free. So that's how we get it for free, completely free. Normally, it's kind of expensive, maybe like $50 a month or some shit.
I think it's pronounced Intuit, not Inuit.
Probably. I don't know. Let's just say TurboTax and QuickBooks. If you do TurboTax, then you get this for free. You might already be using it. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to get started. InuitQuickBooks.com. Just kidding. QuickBooks.intuit.com. So sign in / sign up. It's going to be here. QuickBooks Self-Employed. So I'm signing in because I already have an account. But you would sign up. I'm not going to show you how to sign up. I don't have to show you how to sign up. You know how to sign up for something. But this is the home screen / the home page. So I probably have to blur out a lot of this stuff because you're not allowed to show stuff online, your personal stuff, even though I want to. But the main thing, what it does, so you do all your transactions, you make your money, you spend your money. So I really only use this for this one aspect of it. It could probably do a lot more, but it's here under the transactions tab. And you basically separate all your business expenses and income from your personal expenses and income.
Let's go through all this money you've spent, and let's
Okay.
just
Okay. So
judge
yeah,
you.
I
Let's
have
judge you and how you spend your money.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be fun. So normally you should update it like weekly. Go through, just click the transactions, like separate them between business and personal. But I haven't done it in a while. So how far back do I have to go? June 23rd, exactly a month ago. I haven't done this in a month. Okay.
All right.
So this is what you're gonna do. This tracks everything for you, and then it spits out a bunch of numbers at the end, so you don't have to do it. This is an errand that I have to do every month, so I'll probably speed up some of this, but might have to do
first one, okay, let's go through it.
Yeah.
Don Quixote, that was a shopping trip. That is
Don
a
Quixote-
personal expense, not a business expense. Personal on that one.
Personal.
On to the next one.
I bought some takoyaki. Personal.
That's some really
Two Buddy. This is a software for YouTube that you use. So this is a business expense.
That's a write-off, baby.
Yeah, exactly.
We're getting write-offs in this baby.
Exactly. So you use QuickBooks Self-Employed. It works with TurboTax. So when you file at the end, it has all the normals already. So like it's pretty fucking easy to file taxes. If you're TurboTax, you get it for free. Korean. Oh yeah.
That is personal spending. That was a good night.
Yep.
That was a good night.
That's
Because you know what we did afterwards?
There's some highlights from it on the Instagram under stories from that night.
Yeah.
It's all you could eat Korean barbecue. $137. See how expensive it is to eat out in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Wait.
Right there.
Wait. We ate out with Sean Dalwitt. He's a business partner. Business expense.
We talked business.
We did talk business.
I don't.
Is that a stretch?
Okay.
I don't want to piss off any IRS people. I'll just do personal.
All right.
Snow Factory. Dessert.
I think there's gonna be a lot of Snow Factory.
Yeah.
Transactions.
Snow Factory is a dessert place in Hawaii.
And we go.
If you haven't been, you should go. You probably don't live in Hawaii though, so you can't. Personal. 7-Eleven is a personal. Walmart, personal. 24 Hour Fitness, personal. So here,
there's the big one.
Yeah, see? It's real, okay? See, I get a direct deposit of $11,934 from Audible. It's real.
Ooh.
So this was a business income.
So good.
And so it also keeps track of how much taxes you owe because you pay quarterly. So it's probably going to say I owe a bunch of taxes once it updates.
That hurts.
That hurts.
Oh no.
3K.
God.
Oh.
God damn it.
Fuck.
But as I was gonna say, as an online business owner, you have to do your own taxes.
Ow.
You okay?
No.
Okay.
Shit.
Fucking
taxes.
As an online business owner, you have to do your own taxes. Your job doesn't do it for you. That's why you have to submit quarterly taxes.
Yep. So the money you make is not what you keep.
So this, you have to do your taxes like this.
Yeah,
I don't know how else I would do it.
You need this. So this is how great QuickBooks is. It's gonna update with when I put in business expenses, then I'm gonna owe less and shit like that. So Bright Swim, that's business. So Bright Swimwear, this swimsuit company asked us to do like this brand deal where we took pictures
of us wearing the swim clothing,
basically naked pictures on the internet.
Paraphrasing.
Yeah, but that's a business expense. And watch it update. 3,204. Give it a minute.
Why is it so slow?
There, see?
3,186 now.
That was $18.
Because that is a business write-off.
$18 less in taxes like that. Snow Factory.
There it is again.
Personal. This is paying off the credit card, so that's always personal. This is a restaurant in Hawaii. See how goddamn expensive it is to eat out? Oh, but people think this is just for me. No, that 87 is not me. No. So I normally pay for everyone, so I could rack up the points. And then we
send the shit through Venmo.
Yeah, which I'm also going to show later how to pay for something with points, how to pay for flights with points.
Yeah,
it's really fucking
a future video.
Yeah, no, I'm doing it in this video.
Oh, this one?
Yeah,
lit.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that's a big business write-off.
Oh, that's to Emeka. We paid Emeka $2,000 to mentor us and help us create this ACX course. Mm-hmm. So let's see how much I get in tax savings from it.
3,900, 3,100 too.
Come on. Ooh,
over like, $500.
Yeah, like $500. See, boom, write it off. If you're not keeping track of this, you don't know what you can write off and what you can't. Merch Informer is a software for merch by Amazon. Business, supermarket, personal.
Snow Factory. Once again, we go hard with the Snow Factory.
We go hard with Snow Factory. Delta. Oh, that was plain luggage check-in.
Oh, okay.
That counts. I always count all travel as business.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at that. I didn't even realize that. Draft Digital gave me $628 last week. That's a business. I'm gonna have to pay taxes on it. Oh fuck. Okay, so here Eurowings. Those are our plane tickets to Cancun. So that's gonna take a lot more money off. right?
300
Boom,
bucks.
nice. Ink file. This was registering our new business, Mickelson Twins LLC. Adobe, so we can edit videos. Business. Chiropractor. Yeah, I got a fucked up back.
That's personal.
Personal. Amazon. Personal.
Pancake Factory. That
See,
place was sick.
that could be business.
Yeah,
that could be business. We met up with two guys.
Met up with two cool dudes, Tyler and Connor. What's up?
Shout out. Ooh, is that business or personal? But I feel like you could write off. I think I can.
I mean, if you could write off that, you could write off the Gold's Gym as well.
I know.
Oh, okay.
No, that's business. That's it. That was a YouTube collaboration.
True.
That's business. Yep, that's business. Both of these. There you go. So I just went through all my transactions. Boom. Now I'm done. Now all of the accounting shit is taken care of, basically. If you have any questions, ask questions, because I realize we're not experts at this. We're just kind of showing you what we do. Now the last thing I want to do in this video, a 2-for-1, is show you how to redeem your points for travel credit, or the other way around. Redeem your travel credit for points. You know what I'm saying.
I know what you're
Pay
saying.
for your airplane tickets with credit card points. Okay, so X out of this. I'm gonna have to sign in. So I'm signing into my Bank of America because I paid for the Cancun plane tickets with my Bank of America credit card, and I have points on there that I'm gonna pay for it all with. So what I'm gonna do, so here it says how many points I have. This is how many points I have on this credit card, 154,000, which is the equivalent. It's 1 cent per. That's equivalent 1,500. So this is how you're gonna redeem it. I'm using Bank of America. It's probably gonna be similar for whichever credit card company you're using. But boom, it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna show you how legit it is. I paid for it, and I'm gonna get all the money back. So I'm gonna redeem points.
You have 154,000 travel points.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I mean, I'm about to spend most of them. All right, so then you're gonna do travel statement credit, redeem. That's where you get the most bang for your buck with these travel points. So note the bottom. Where do I want to redeem? So these are all things I could redeem.
Oh.
If it's just in the travel category, you can use points on it, but I don't want to. What I do want to use it though on is these plane tickets to Cancun and back. So that's how much it cost. Look how easy it is. Check. So it's going to cost me 130,000 points. Request travel credit. Complete redemption.
And now you're getting a full refund for all the points.
Yeah.
Boom.
Your travel statement credit request for the request has been received, but they're gonna end up accepting it, and then boom, 1,300 bucks they give me right back. So credit cards, we need to make more credit card videos.
Yeah, we need to
credit cards are so fucking epic.
Make like a how to start with credit cards, because I feel like we
We're
told people to do it, but they don't know where to start, and they need someone to tell them. And I think we should do that.
Yeah. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope this was helpful. I mean, not every video can be your best video, and this video is still a solid video. Okay?
Yeah, I think it is.
So, thanks for watching the video.
Like the video. Let us know what kind of videos you want. Subscribe, of course, but you already did at the beginning. So
yeah, you definitely
no need to repeat that.
All right. And Twins out.